In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Nordvpn account, a handy tool that allows you to enhance your internet security across multiple devices. Sharing your Nordvpn account is incredibly beneficial as it enables us to protect our online activities on various platforms using a single subscription. To get started, you'll want to launch your Nordvpn app on your PC. It's important to have the app open on your computer because that's where you'll manage all sharing settings. Once you have the app open, take a look at the left-hand panel. At the very bottom, you'll notice a gear icon. Go ahead and click on that to open the settings. The gear icon serves as your gateway to all the customization options available within Nordvpn. Now that you've opened the settings menu, your next step is to click on Profile. This tab houses all your account details and the essential sharing and security options you'll need. Once you've done this, look for the option that says Get Nordvpn for all your devices. This is the key feature you'll use to enable VPN access on not just one but multiple gadgets. Clicking on Get Nordvpn for all your devices will trigger a drop-down menu. This menu is where the magic happens. Here you'll find all the methods available to you for sharing Nordvpn. A particularly convenient option provided is the QR code. By selecting this, you can easily download the Nordvpn mobile app by simply scanning the QR code with your phone's camera. This method is extremely efficient for quickly setting up Nordvpn on your mobile device. An alternative way to share is through an email with download links. This feature allows you to send download links to any of your other devices so they can directly install Nordvpn without any hassle. Fill in the email addresses of the devices you want to protect and they'll receive instant access to download the app. Nordvpn has tailored apps for specific platforms, including Android and iOS. If you have an Android phone or tablet, select the Nordvpn for Android option. Likewise, if you own an Apple device, choose Nordvpn for iOS. Ensuring you have the correct version for your device is crucial for a seamless installation. Finally, don't forget about securing your online browsing. You can add the Nordvpn extension to your browser for an extra layer of security while surfing the web. It's an essential step for those who prioritize online privacy. Remember, sharing your Nordvpn account across multiple devices means you'll need to log into your account on each one. Though it might seem repetitive, it ensures that each device is secure and ready to utilize the full benefits of Nordvpn. With this, you'll have robust protection for up to 10 devices simultaneously, giving you peace of mind whether you're at home or on the go.